Hello friends, welcome to my channel Super Sisters. My name is Arya and this is
Anisha.
So today we are going to prepare
Nankhatai.
So to prepare these Nankhatais, I have all these ingredients over here. But before you mix all your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients, you're supposed to preheat your oven for 170 degrees Celsius. Now let's get started. So the ingredients are 1 cup of maida, half cup of besan,
Powdered sugar.
half cup of powdered sugar, half cup of pure ghee, cardamom powder, some dry fruits, cut
Which are
dry
healthy.
fruits. Yep, which are healthy.
Healthy for attitude.
Suji, pinch of salt, and baking powder. Now I'm going to mix all those dry ingredients with this strainer. Ajay, can you pass me the strainer? Thank you. Now the big spoon.
Healthy.
Thank you. Now I'm going to first put the maida in there.
Can I do it? I will love them.
Yeah, the last one.
Oh, it's going down like Oreo.
That's what the strainer does. Okay, you wanted to put the last one, right? You can put it in there. Put it.
Woo!
Look, very nice.
It's
Now
starting
go
to
the
get
middle.
out. And it's going to take. It's coming out.
Oopsies, so sorry.
Right now.
Okay, before I put all the other dry ingredients, I'm just gonna strain this a little bit.
Can I do it?
Okay, now I can put the maida. There we go. Why I'm doing this because I am afraid that the dry ingredients will overflow.
Yeah, so you're doing it, so you're using a strainer.
No. Now I'm going to strain
Can
the
I put
powdered
it?
sugar in there.
Can I do it?
Last, okay?
I wish I
Sugar.
can.
This is the last one. Wait.
Can I get some wings of that?
Oopsies. Okay, put it in.
I want
Drop it in. Carefully. Yeah, I'm
to.
gonna put it
Really? I need to. And oh yeah, efficient. Oh yeah, your shoulder looks like a table, but a human table.
Now I'm gonna strain all those.
Can I do that? Hello. My crazy. Like your hair.
Thank you very much.
My eyes are still. My bowl is coming out.
You know, when I'm straining, the dry ingredients don't like when you talk. They want silence.
Shut up! Oh yeah, you're so fast.
I know.
And it's a
Okay, Anja, can you pass me the whisker? Thank you.
Can I?
Now I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients so that
But
they're
can
all
I mix
combined
it carefully?
together.
It's different.
Nuh-uh.
One thing.
Okay, fine, mix it. Okay, carefully, or else all the dry ingredients will come on your face. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to add the suji inside, but also strain it.
Can I put it?
No.
That was so fun. Oh yeah, can I put the common powder?
Now I'm going to still mix it so that they all
Can I
combine
do
together.
again?
Mm-mm.
This one.
No.
Okay. How time is it?
What time is it? Not how time is it. So now I'm gonna put the baking powder and the salt in there.
Can I put it?
Okay, take it all out.
Wait, I think I'll take that one with my finger.
Yep. Very nice.
Are you gonna please put the common powder?
Yeah, but later, not now.
The color's turning really light.
Mix well so that the salt is combined well with the other dry ingredients.
I don't like too much salt. I need salt and sugar are the same, but
Now I've combined them all together, and now
yeah.
I'm going to put the half cup of ghee
yeah.
in there.
I remember Bobby that put accidentally salt, not sugar.
Okay. I'm going to add the ghee, but little by little. Thank you. 2 teaspoons by 2 teaspoons.
You guys, if you don't know what is ghee, subscribe, like, and share.
You mean if they do not know what is ghee, they can search up to see what is ghee.
Well, my feet are like tomatoes that in. The ghee is like purely yellow, right?
Isn't ghee always yellow, Anisha?
It looks like tea, anyway.
Combine them all together with this first.
Oh yeah, and I tell you something.
Oopsies.
I'm
Okay.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Since you're doing hard work, right? I'll give you one card. Wow, that's a lot.
Now I am going to take out the whisker and start mixing with my hand.
The whisker.
Yep.
Is a whisker like a cat with a whisker which is yellow?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Well, they don't. Well, it looks like I have.
Okay, so while you're going to make a very good dough out of this.
Well, you're the speaker.
So my dough has not hold together, so I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of ghee.
Can I put?
Sorry.
How about later? Oh yeah.
You can also add a teaspoon or 2 tablespoons of milk, not more, so they can hold together.
If you're gonna hold, just tell us.
So my dough is a perfect dough. It has hold together, and now I'm going to add the cardamom powder.
Can I put?
Yep, you can. Put it in. This one. Carefully or you'll drop everything. Yep. Very nice. Just going to... There you go.
I need those.
Now I'm going to mix them all together. That ingredients.
Oh yeah. Can I smell the dough?
Can you smell it?
It smells like old cardamom.
Do you know what is cardamom powder? Okay, now I'm going to combine it all together. Okay, so my dough has perfectly mixed with the cardamom powder. And now I'm going to let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. So my dough has rested for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to make the dough now.
Oh yeah, can I for me?
Oh, sure. Here you go.
Oh yeah, it's 10 o'clock.
Okay, so first of all, you're supposed to roll them into balls.
I will.
Are you following? Roll them into balls.
Yeah. I know what I'm doing. Hey, it's still breaking.
And put them on the greased
Tray?
greased tray, and then or your butter paper, and then you just dab it like that over here. Not like that. Okay, no. Supposed to do this. Okay, a little bit more.
I'm gonna make a small one, of course.
Okay.
Oh yeah, if this dirty one died, if this one died.
No, Aisha, wait, give it to me, There you go.
Okay.
You're supposed to mold them together, okay?
Very
nice.
That.
Okay, here you go, take this one,
It's soft.
Yeah. Now, I have prepared all the Nankhatai balls over here. And have placed them on the butter paper. And if you do not have a butter paper, no worries, you can grease your tray with ghee or melted butter. And I'm just going to put this last ball. Okay, so now I'm done doing all the balls, and let's give them a ghee wash or a milk wash, because once they're done baking, their color will be more vibrant. There we go.
Oh yeah. How do we turn the water on again? Oh yeah, how do you turn on the water on again?
Can you wait? Please miss this row.
Okay, oh yeah, can I just do one thingy?
Wait. I'll give you one last one, okay?
With the last one, and the dot.
No, wait. Go. Just going to.
Are you done yet?
That's so funny.
How can I do? You
Okay.
did the last one.
Whoopsies. Okay, do this one.
Give me.
Okay, do it very, very carefully, okay? Don't press it up. No, it's okay. You don't need ghee. Do it now. Very nice. Okay, now since you can see, as you can see, that some of those balls have these holes over here.
Oh yeah.
So those
turn on the watch?
Can you wait? So those holes are gently pressed, so that I can decorate with them with the dry fruits. So first of all, I'm just going to gently press all the other Nankhatai balls. Gently press them. Don't press them too hard or too light. Just gently press them. Yeah, very lightly, okay?
Like that?
Yeah. Gently, not too light, or else they're like invisible holes.
You mean like this, right?
Yeah.
That is.
Oopsies, that. Let's go here. Okay then, that's enough.
I think I have to foam.
Now it's time to decorate.
Can I decorate anything?
Yeah, but just add a few dry fruits on the holes so that they are decoratable.
Oh yeah, another birthday.
Also press them gently. Now, since our Nankhatai balls are ready, let's place them in the oven. But before we do that, do you remember that I said that our oven is already preheated at 170 degrees Celsius? It must be hot now. So let's wear gloves. It is really hot, so safety first. There we go. Then let's place them in the oven. It's hot. Oopsies.
Oh yeah?
Okay, now you're gonna bake it for 10 minutes. There we go. I hope they become very nice. Okay, so I have just taken them them out from the oven, and now they are really hot, so make sure to wear your gloves. And now I'm going to place them on this rack. Oopsies. I'm going to let them cool for at least 30 minutes. Don't touch them, they're really hot. Ooh, I just really want to eat them now. They look so delicious, but I have to wait. So here we are after 30 minutes, and our Nankhatai is ready and also cooled down. So as you can see, our Nankhatai is not over baked and it is rich in color. Now let's serve them. One. And our Nankhatai is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like and share. Bye!
And if you like it, please subscribe, like and share in Super Sisters.
Bye-bye!
Bye. I'm getting up.